late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Flicking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you loving well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell. Little bit of ghetto and a little bit of bougie. Ain't afraid to get this in a motel. Love calling my name, love playing my games. You ain't got no shame, but am I part the plan? I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Girl, you cold-hearted. Revelations that I had, girl, you so scarlet. I be tucking down on your garments while your man back at home rolling red carpets. But I'ma send it too. Think about the pressure I'ma get to you. Ain't no lies told with me in the nude. Leave me one more like a motherfucking in the loop. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying.
YouTube, what's happening? What's happening, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm very good, thanks, Mince. Hope you are well, too. I trust you are well. Well, just let me know on the volume. Because my thing updated. So, just want to make sure that that is fine. Uncle Robs, good morning. Mark Pillay, good morning, guys. Hope you have yes, sir. Good morning to you too, man. Hope you have a blessed day as well. Superfly, good morning. Chad, good morning. Charles, good morning. Ruellen, good morning. Calvi Smish, good morning. Jesus, good morning. Ball Talk with Cream, good morning. Donovan, good morning. Cabello, good morning. What's up, guys? YouTube, are you guys good? Are you guys good? All sounds good. Shot, my brother. I appreciate that. Guys, are you ready for this lovely Wednesday? To carry on our win streak? Who, out of the YouTube, who took TPs on that GJ call yesterday? Put a W in the chat if you caught that GJ with me yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful longs on GJ. Played out exactly how we planned, so that was stunning. Raised our win rate percentage a bit, so we're sitting at 88%. 5 wins for the month. I think we're currently on a 10 trade win streak at the moment. Let's double check that journal. I think my guys are getting so good. Uncle Robs is getting too complacent with 1%, eh? Let's see. A long trade yesterday, but we came out on top as usual. So looking very good going into today. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Let's get straight to the charts, guys. Are you guys ready for a quick little chart breakdown? Not quick, but you know what I mean. Chart breakdown. Get that out of the way, and then we'll start waiting for setups. Give me a second here. John was it? Okay, any question you guys can let me know, but I'm just gonna break down. There's a wrong playlist. Which playlist was it? I think it was this one. I can't remember. YouTube monetized me. YouTube copyrighted me yesterday for some of the songs. Tough. It's tough. I think this is a yes. I think it was. You know, like that second hour we got actually copyrighted on this playlist. I gotta check everything tonight. Unfortunately, boys. Okay, let's have a look. Let's focus on GJ first. Gold is just not there. How's my meeting? Let's see, where is... Yeah, meeting went good. Meeting went really good. Always, I think I always have great session with all my students. Nuggets, how's that course coming along? How's the videos going? Wasn't like the last few minutes I've streamed too. Yeah, I think it was like in the second hour or something like that. One of the songs that I was playing got flagged. So I would definitely have to change the non-copyrighted music that I play. So, but I feel like that's an ongoing issue. YouTube is so strict with the music you play, and it's not like I'm even playing like your normal mainstream music. It's literally stuff I wouldn't really listen to, because no, I don't think somebody just listens to beats, right? Well, I don't. Okay, GJ, what is happening? First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and mark out the current daily low as well as yesterday's low. And yesterday's high. Okay. Look, what I'm liking to see now on GG, and this is also what gave me that buy idea yesterday. As I go on, guys, you can just ask me any questions. I'll get back to it as soon as I'm done my analysis. I'm just gonna lock it in now. So, as you were seeing with yesterday's longs yesterday, it's a big confluence was that the daily candles is creating higher highs and higher lows. Today also looking very nice as you're still continuing that momentum in anticipation that you'll fill yesterday's wick and then continue further, which is starting to look very good to me. On that 4 hour, you're pretty much sitting in that range. So honestly, clearance above that is definitely going to make me want to initiate some long positions. So that's going to be my first 4 hour demand area. This will be that 4 hour supply, no, 4 hour demand, 4 hour supply, sorry, my bad. And then that's pretty much all I need, to be honest with you. I literally just need 2 areas today. Yeah, I just need 2 areas today, because if I'm going to short today, it's going to be QP. If I'm going to long today, I'm going to ask myself, where does price need to go to grab volume, and it's going to be the next quarter pip anyway. Oh, this is going to be easy. This is going to be easy. Basam, good morning. How are you? That's good, that's good. Okay, look to the left hand side. You can see where the previous daily high is 194,150. There's bodily support there slash the new bodily resistance at the moment. So definitely, if I look to the left hand side, very similar to yesterday's trade, guys, that if I look to the left hand side, that I can see is identified range, right? And if I pull that over to where price is right now, more than likely, once price starts to get above that area, which is also that previous daily high, once price starts to trade above that, I will look for long positions to quarter pip. Today I want to buy GJ once again, just like yesterday. The only time I'm going to look for sells is there. Whatever happens in here, I'm not too phased, but GJ is very straightforward today, guys. I absolutely love it. It's very straightforward, nothing too complicated. It start building some confluences, closures above 194, 130. Yeah, I think closures above 194, 130, boys. That will continue pretty much yesterday's idea, and that's why yesterday's trade was so good. So even though yesterday's trade, like we sat in it for a bit, it was a bit late in session, and the trade was like an hour long. Nonetheless, it still played out perfectly to our analysis. Okay. With that being said, the idea from yesterday will pretty much stem into today's idea as well. It's just that I don't really want to trade into the range, because this can be an area as we do grab liquidity. If we look, Basam, pay attention, because this is going to answer that question again. If we look where price right now, we are overall bullish, right? So you're looking for price to obviously continue with a 4v0 bias. You prefer the buys, but understanding that the sells can happen. Then with that also being said, you also understand that you are in a range here, right? This is a range also. So when I take position, I don't want it to be into the final third. So I've got the first third, second third, final third. I don't want to buy in the final third. I'm also want to get price above that and then long. Reason being, what if these wicks act as liquidity for price to come back down and price can just consolidate? You with me? So what I want to see now on that 4 hour is price start to engulf these areas and start to drive your hourly. Okay, not really the hourly, but your 30-minute also starting to ascend, creating high highs and high lows within that microstructure. Get out of the range and then look for closures like this as a type 4 execution to see price pretty much come up. Why? Like that. So you get your closure above like this, boys. Once I then get closure above, the next candle pretty much just need to drop and flip and drive. And then on my 5 minutes, that can happen 15 or 30, and then on my 5 minute I want a nearby support, preferably somewhere around that area, to say that, okay, you know what, we've got the closure above, we've got the tap in the drive, but more importantly we have that 5 minute support, cradling it nicely so that I can use this as a point of reference to say, okay, this is where I can pop my stop loss below, not only a 15/30 zone, but also now a 5 minute zone. Okay, now where price is right now, it is obviously looking pretty good for longs already. It's just I don't want to take position in that final third. How long? It's about 20 pips. What's the time now? Look, it's definitely a move that can happen, but for me personally, I don't want to take position in the final third because there I've got my 15 close now. Check this out. 1, 2, there we go. Closure. Next candle should drive down, grab liquidity, right? And then price should ascend further if it can break this level right here. With your stop being there below that support level, you'll then target yesterday's high. You see, so for me, it's just not worth the risk, boys. Like, I can see the trade playing out, I can see it happening. Just for me personally, it is in that final third. Even though I can see it playing out, there is just, it's a bit more higher risk for me because there's less to grab on the table. I would much rather wait for price to get above the area, mimic that same sort of idea, and then I can extend that for an 80 pip target, even though I'll be taking profit earlier, 20, 63. It's just that the zone is much more clearer for me. At that point, I'm out of the range of the 4 hour, which means that I'm away from this range and I'm treating the resistance now as a support. So it makes the trade much more clearer, much more easier to see. There's more confluence building, there's more confirmations. So that is why, for me personally, even though, guys, I'm not saying it can't happen, I can see this pair going up, right? I can see it happen. It's just not the trade that I want. And you'll understand the way that I trade right now if you watch my streams, not right now, but you'll understand the way I trade if you watch my streams on a regular basis. I'm a very conservative trader. I wait for the highest probable setups, and that is why the win rate is so high, because I'm more of a patient trader. I wait for the best setups, and when it arises and my edge arises, then I execute. So all I'm wanting to do today is one of two things: type 1 or type 4 longs. The sells, I don't see them until they break the current daily low and close below that 4 hour level, which is there. But the buys make a lot of sense. It's just where I buy. Even though this is, I can see it going up, it doesn't mean it's the trade for me. The trade for me is going to come above 194, 140, and then from there I can run it up. So what does Miles want to see for that? Either type 1 or type 2. It's going to be looking like this. Type 1 is going to be the, let's hold on. Type 1 is going to be priced ascending like this, creating high highs and high lows within that structure. The candlesticks is also printing the proper candlestick anatomy like this, and then whoopsie, and then I'll take the breakout over here. This is going to be a type 1. Okay, that's going to be the type 1 idea. The type 4 idea is obviously similar. It's just that you aren't taking the impulse, you are waiting for that confirmation. So you're waiting for that 15/30 closure, which will be something like that. Why is it gray again? which will be something like that. Next candle to then tap in and drive. And this is what I'll be looking for. Okay? We'll see. So yeah, that is the idea on GJ. Like I said, boys, I do... that thing's getting stuck. I do see the buys right now. It's just not the trade for me. If anybody who does want to execute on it because it matches your plan and your strategy, go for it. The buys are valid. It's just not the entry that I want this morning. And I'm comfortable with that. I'm happy with that. If I also look to the left, there's range high, there's range low, there's range low, where's range high? Right there, right? Which means when I'm taking these buys, it's like right there. You with me? Let me show that to you again. Here's range. There's range. Look where I'm gonna take it. Pretty much almost at the end of the range. It doesn't make sense for me to do that. So for me, I will let the move go and I'll get in at a better position above my previous daily high. I hope that analysis makes sense to you. This is going to be my safe buy area. Even though you can take buys, yeah, I'm not going to pop it there. Yeah. On the contrary, looking at price right now, I probably will be able to take the more aggressive shorts over here. Because like I've mentioned, is you are in the 4-hour range. Let's say, for example, price does not surpass the previous daily high, which is range, right? And there's my resistance on the left. Let's just say, for example, that's the case and price can't surpass that level. This 4-hour then goes ahead and flips bearish again, and the hourly also starts to engulf all of these doji candles. For me, I will then look for aggressive shorts back down to the current daily low in anticipation that these 4-hour areas is actually holding. You with me? So that is something that I'm going to pay attention to, because this for me is going to be no trade range. Morning, my brother. What's happening? What's happening? How are you? That's no stress. So that's no trade range. That's aggressive shorts as a type 3. Yeah, it's aggressive because obviously the area and it's also against the trend. This is going to be a no trade range also for me. Obviously the buys, the aggressive buys can happen, but for me, boys, this is no trade range. So 2 no trade ranges right now. It's going to be there, aggressive shorts there, beautiful buys up there. For the aggressive shorts, guys, I pretty much want to see the hourly engulf bearish, 4-hour break the previous low, 30 minutes /15 closing below the level, and then I'll take the short. I understand that the way I can lose that position will be because I've got liquidity right there. And on the buy side, how I can lose the position is because of the bodily highs there, bodily lows there. We shouldn't lose though. But yeah, drop a 1 in the chat if you understand the analysis on GJ before I go further, because that's my idea on GJ. GJ is probably going to be the preferred trade to do today. However, obviously I'm going to break down gold now and see what's happening. Hi Miles, brother. I haven't analyzed gold and you're already jumping there. Nuggets. Liking it so far, man. Had to rewind a lot, especially in the market structure part, and I'll probably have to watch it again, but for sure 100%. Look, at the end of the day, brother, put in the time, watch the videos as much as possible, journal as much as possible, take notes as much as possible. Then when you've gone through the course at least twice, set up a one-on-one session with me and I'll then guide you further. Okay, but you are definitely in the right place. Becky, what's up? Dirk, good morning. Steven, good morning. Laron, good morning. Laron, wait for gold analysis, don't jump the gun. Low-key understanding for sure, brother. That's good, that's good. That's very straightforward. AMP Fitness, good morning. Look, the course, it's very straightforward because trading is easy. Trading is very straightforward. It's not complicated. And if you have that sort of mindset, that sort of approach every single day, you're definitely on the right track. Any questions, you guys? Obviously, just let me know. First things first, on gold, you are in your range. Do you guys see this? Gold is pretty much just ranging right now, guys. Highs to lows, as simple as that. Highs to low. 4 hour. Wait. Daily. I think the re-break of that daily low will definitely signify a continuation. Not really the break of the high, but more so the low, because as you can see on the daily, we are forming lower lows and lower highs within that structure. So this is something that's very important to me that I'm going to be noting right now, is where that daily low is sitting. Looking at, yeah, I think we're still in that zone of yesterday. That's the only thing for me. Like, I'm not in clear water really on gold. But let's see what we can do today. Gonna mark in range, high, range, low. But I think that's the wrong color. No, that's fine. And then over here you got range high as well. Yeah, that's the only thing, boys. It is a bit of a choppy area. It's chop city at the moment. So I'm gonna leave that as my 4 hour zones. Hourly. Yeah, it's gonna be the same level here. Okay, that's how I'll play it. How big is this area below there? What, 40 pips? Okay, this is how I can play gold today. Definitely gonna be a playable or a tradable trade, not playable. Marking in these highs of liquidity. Yeah, I'm gonna add that zone in. Sorry, there's just a lot of chop on the gold, so I'm just finding the zones that make sense. This one, does this make sense below here? About 35 pips. Gold I want to sell. I don't want to buy gold today. Gold I'm going to sell today. And this is going to be how I'm going to sell it. So here I have aggressive shorts. I'll explain to you why and how and who and where in a second. Let me just get the areas out for you. And then this is also going to be aggressive shorts. I feel like any trade on gold is going to be aggressive. The buys only for me look good above 4 hour liquidity, which is around 23.32. So also aggressive buys. And then this is no trade range for miles. And this is how I'll play it. Let's build up some confluences quickly. So on the daily, the re-break of the current daily low after it has formed the low and the high already. Wait, one thing. Did price go down first at midnight? So price went down first at midnight, creating a low first, right? Then price started to drive and create a high. The re-break of that current low will initiate some shorts for me, easy. The 4 hour engulfing of this area, and the 4 hour then trading below 23.11 will also be inducing some shorts for me. The hourly, can't really read anything of the hourly, but the 30-minute, let me see something. 30 minutes bearish. Where is my bias? 30 minutes just closed. It's a small close, but a close below that wick, making it bearish for me. 2v2 can buy or sell. I just prefer the sells on gold, the buys on GJ today. So now you guys are feeling, but that's me. So closure below the level of 23.10, I shorted down. LTA on the left hand side, range high to range low, I'll take it. And then if we miss that what do you call it? I'll then take shorts below that, because then you see you got a range here. So range high, range low. So as you get involved there, you'll trade it to there. QP obviously. And then if we get in slightly early, got range high, range low over there. So you'll take it pretty much mid-range down to the low in anticipation that you have the volume to continue driving further down. Let's get that news ready. But we are looking good, boys. We are looking good. So what I want to see is simple type 4s, which will be closure below the area like this. Something like that. Next candle to flip up, grab liquidity and start driving down in anticipation that we'll just keep going. That will be the sell idea there on Goldilocks. And that's pretty much all I want. If I miss that trade, also the simple closures below there will be fine as well. Just when I do take position, I need to understand that the only way I can lose it is that bodily support right there. So that is obviously things that I need to take into consideration. But essentially you want the candles to look something like that, right? That's what you want to see. Oopsie. On gold today. So gold for me is the shorts today. GJ is the buys today. Once again, it's just gonna be a patience day, because obviously the setups, they're not there right now. So this is the plan, the idea for this London session. Drop a W or drop a 1 in the chat if you understand. If you don't, ask me the question and I will guide you. London open in a minute. For sure. Miles, would you aggressive sales be valid on gold after the 1 hour closure below 23.15? I did give my breakdown, but I just want to see what you see. 23.15, no. No, sir. Unfortunately not valid. Unfortunately not valid. Maybe it's valid for you, but for me it's not valid. GJ looks good, boys. Hourly close above the level. How big is this for a wick full? What, 12 pips? Why is this thing stuck? I do obviously see this setup. Do I want to get such an aggressive trade so early this morning? The engulfing of that 15. Why is this thing getting stuck the whole time? I see it, man. I see the setup. Do I want it? Do I want it? Does Miles want it this morning? Get ready here, boys. I feel a bit aggressive today. Let's go in. I'll tell you when I buy. It makes 100% sense for me. It's just it's in that final third. The range isn't that large. However, the candlestick anatomy is looking gorgeous. I'm gonna take these buys right now. I've just bought GJ. Entry was here. This was my entry, boys. 71. Okay. Targeting 10 as my first TP. I want to get to the pretty much the body over there. Yeah, that looks good. Pretty much the body over there targets me 1940. What's that? 194078. That's what I want. But 10 pips is before that. Okay. And then your final target is gonna be the previous daily high. Obviously, look, we can run it up, bro. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna open it up. These will just be targets on the way. TP2 will be the previous daily high. And then TP3 is going to be there for 194397. 194397 will be TP3. Because honestly, once it starts to drive, she's going to drive. Look, I'll pretty much, I think like TP3 is more than enough for me. Why doesn't it say TP3? That's the thing. TP3. And then my stop loss on this, boys, is for 31 pips. 193659. currently at my entry point. Let's see how she does. Is a bit of the more aggressive position this morning, but I'm gonna take it. Well, I'm in it already. What did I miss? What do you mean by aggressive play? It's just a bit more of a aggressive setup, meaning it's a bit more of a choppy area. It might be against the bias, that sort of thing, but there's still many confluences for the trade. That's on the gold one. Did I miss anything? Alpha Blood, good morning. What's up? Two smoke folks, got you. Perfect. How's the trade going so far? At the moment, we're pretty much just hovering around the entry point. Yeah. Rio Nade, good morning. Mindset Club, good morning. So obviously this was my more aggressive position this morning. In the final third, it is higher risk. We know that. But the setup's there, looks good. What I would really love is TP1, I go to break even. I only secure partials at TP2 and I try and push the rest up. And I will look to scale in position after I get type 4s above Furious LI. That would be like a mind-blowing setup. Let's see if we can get that this morning. Okay, so TP1, I'm going to go to break even. I'll let you know if I secure partials there. But preferably wanting to secure partials around TP2. Okay. Early trade for me this morning. Everything makes sense. A higher risk position. But yeah, let me guys, what's it? 791. Let's remove this quickly so no one panics. Just this was my entry 791. Stop is 31 pips. Now the only way I can lose this trade is that wicks on the left hand side reject and then the final third actually holds, which is it's possible, it can happen. I just like the idea of us taking that position early. It pretty much solidifies that that support area, so we can scale in. So we can scale in above the resistance. So yeah, man, let's see how it goes. On the news front, what you looking at? Nothing. Oh, nothing. Okay, nothing today. Jordan, what's happening, bro? Terry, I'm not sure if you're talking to me. Are you good? Like you sound mugh. For sure. Why'd you work to like 4? Jesus. Your medical walking that you revitalized to be on the charge right now. It's mal. Yeah, let's see how she plays. If I lose this trade, I will take another trade. W in the chat for Jordan. Yes, can we get W's in the chat for Jordan for being dedicated to pulling up the stream no matter how his work life is? Deepak Chandari, am I in the trade? Yes, sir, I'm in the trade. I'm in drawdown. It's going great. If we lose the trade, we know why. Will we take another trade? Probably. Does the trade make sense? Yes. Would I take the trade again? Yes. It is just higher risk because I've taken it in that final third as well as in that short range pretty much. But it made sense to me. Where's my stop loss again? 193,658. Guys, it's literally on the screen. These are my entries here. 193,971. There's my stop loss right there. It's literally on the screen, boys. It is rejecting that area quite heavily, actually. $30. You pretty much don't want your 30-minute to break that previous 30 low. But we're gonna ride it. Any questions you guys can let me know. 72 viewers if you're here for the first time. Sub to the channel. Like the stream. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday, Monday to Friday. Monday to Thursday for YouTube, Monday to Friday for the private MFX community. And do drop a like on the stream if you like what you see. And yeah, man. Let's run up those subs. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's run up those subs. Let's run up those subs, boys. 25 likes, 80 people watching. I should have not given the trade until we got more likes. Let's run up those likes, guys. Let's run up those likes. 25 likes and 80 people watching. Let's run up those likes. Where's that I am Tosh dude from yesterday? I wanna say hi to him. Where is he? I am Tosh. Tosh, you in the building? Yes. What do you mean? Yeah. Nah, stop us. Why did that sound like a panic question? Yeah. The thing is, there is no point of management on this trade. Because if you manage it, you're going to be managing it too early because there's two demand zones right there. Which means that if I... No. You so I won't what? No, never. No. To be honest with you, I feel like my stop loss is too small. To be dead honest with you. Because I want my stop loss to technically be there below that demand area. So I perceive like my stop loss is a bit too tight today. No problem. There's something I wanted to say to you, but I forgot. Damn it. Some of voice notes I can't hear right now. I can't listen to the voice note. Please go back to gold. No. I will not do that, my brother. We are in GJ. Why would I go back to gold? Yes. Yeah, like four days. Today, stay behind today. MFX members, stay behind after Zoom today. I hope to YouTube today, because today is more than likely going to be an early day for us. Either 1 o'clock thingy thing, so I won't be able to be on stream for that long. So the session is gonna cut like at 11:30 probably, boys, latest. Thank you, Nuggets. I appreciate that. Guys, if you come to the stream late and you aren't sure what I may be doing with gold or GJ, just rewind the stream. You can literally just rewind it. I promise you, you won't miss anything because we're in a trade already, which means that you can't come to stream and necessarily just take a trade because you don't know why. If you understand trades, then you take them. If you don't understand trades, don't take them. But any questions, boys, let me know. But in the meantime, run up those likes, sub to the channel, road to 1K. We're not far. 350 more subs and we're there. It's doable. It's doable, boys. Simeon. Zach. USD? USD what? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Where's your friend Dazzy? Please find that guy for me. I'm looking for him. Please find him. I'm looking for him. I just wanna ask him how he is. He's definitely not sleeping. $15 close. I see that the 15 is retesting an area that it has just broken out of. This is the grab of liquidity for price to continue driving further. So as you can see over here, you've got resistance, support, price breaks out, price retests. We need to see it hold that level, and as it starts to drive away, we should be good. We should be good. Does it have a bottom wick? I think so. Yes, it does. So from this point, guys, it's in that liquidity area, so it should start to drive from there. So let's see. Let's see. He's in Maryland. Oh, what did you guys start yesterday? Darren's not from Maryland, bro. He's from South Africa. He's very much awake. Did he say from Maryland yesterday? I don't know. Like yesterday we spoke so much shit. It's not really funny. He's wide awake. He's wide awake. I can guarantee now Dazzy wakes up at 6. He's an early bird. Oh, he was guessing. Yeah, Dazzy was guessing where someone else was from. Maryland is Terry. She's from Maryland. Yeah. You said you from there as well, eh? Damn, you guys are up at 3 AM just to watch my stream. That's dedication. VA? I don't know what VA is. Vang? I don't know. I don't know those ones. Gotta learn one way or another, Miles. 100%, my brother. 100%, my dude. Gotta put in that grind, my man. Shows dedication. I like to see that. I'm pretty keen for our one-on-one. Pretty keen for that. I like people that are dedicated to learn and want to change their lives. It seems like Charles is giving free W's away. W's in the chat for Maryland. Charles is just giving away free W's, guys. Shame, Charles, you can play Wordle today, okay? Charles, you can play Wordle today, Charles, brother. Charles is itching for a win. He's super sending Jordan words to say. Where's Mints today? Say Mints. It's deserved. People are committed for sure. For sure. GJ, where your volume at? Where the volume? Final third, 4 hour liquidity, it's understandable. But we should continue this drive. For me on that 15, as long as we can close back above, not back above because we are above, we're just in liquidity, but if we can close above 193.903, hold that support, we should ride. Go to bathroom so we can get some volume. I retired from Whirl, but I'll give it one more go. Please do. I think we'll definitely have a Whirl today, guys, because like I said, it's not going to be a long stream today. It won't go longer than 11:30. That's what I can guarantee. I think he's retired from Worlds now. He's now a COD dude. No, he's a Seto dude, bumping people off the roads in a Seto. He's a Seto course of driver's license, yeah. Goldilocks, what's happening? Oh, Sales is coming. Gold Sales is on the way. I'm gonna add an alert here, just for curiosity. I'm not gonna take the position while I'm in GJ, but very curious to see what's going to happen there. This is not my stop. My stop is 31. Now focus on top speed weaves. Yes, sir. Was that 15 close? No, it wasn't. 5 close. Yeah. Nothing really, boys. Nothing really yet. It's gonna have to wait. Okay, so GJ pretty much at your area of support at the bottom of the liquidity. You don't want it to break 193.780. If it breaks that, it's obviously not going to be the most beautiful thing to see. But yeah. My only thing is I don't want it to tap into the bottom liquidity, stop me out and drive up, because I didn't give 4 more pips. So I think that's going to be the play for me, boys. I'm going to just pull my stop to 35, just so it's underneath that area there. It's just going to make me much more comfortable in the trade. So I've just adjusted my stop loss to 35. Let me just do this quickly. Just in case it decides to drop and then drive. Obviously, if it just drops, that's going to be my type 3 area anyway, so I'll counter the trade. So I'm just adding 4 more pips. I don't think I'll lose the trade, because it's not confirming it yet, it's just grabbing liquidity. Okay, but I'm going to do that preventative maintenance. I'm going to do that just in case. Okay, it's going to give the trade 4 more pips just so it can be below a technical area, which will make me more comfortable. 193,621. For me, it's just 4 more pips. It's not a big deal. But the thing for me is I don't want it to pop down. Check out, pop down here before, grab liquidity, and then start to skyrocket. I don't want that. And I know if it's going to be breaking that low and that low, then I'm wrong. And that's what I want. If I lose, I want to be wrong. I don't want to lose because of a liquidity grab or whatever. I mean, it can happen. But this just makes a bit more sense. So I'm managing the position here. Just adding 4 more pips. It just makes technical sense, boys. I'm not going to be adamant about a 31 pip. Not wanting to lose 4 pips just because, you know, I'm going to stick to the technical plan and just follow that. I don't think I will lose this trade though. It's just grabbing liquidity. That's all. Okay. Send it to Telegram. I'll assess it after this trade. I'm just locked in right now. For real, honestly, I think you're chilling. For sure, brother. Look, you'll notice the way I trade every day. You'll never see me with any emotions. I'm the most dead fish in the market ever. And it's simply because I follow my rules. No stress, no stress, no stress. So then I know if I lose this position it's because it was number 1 in final third and it tapped into that 4-hour liquidity and rejected. And that's how I can understand how I could possibly lose it. And then on the contrary, if it does tap into grab volume over here, liquidity, and then drive, that's also fine. And if the trade does sell off today, that will be that type 3 idea, and I'll look for type 3 shorts down. Remember, I can take 2 trades a day. If I've won the first one, I'm done for the day. If I've lost the first one, I am eligible to take a second position if the setup is there and if my psychology is in the right place. What I don't like right now is that the 30-minute made a low, grab liquidity, now re-breaking the previous low. I don't like that because in my eyes, my understanding, that is a liquidity sweep right there for price to come further down. That's my understanding. I've seen it many times. That's also why I'm so chilled in the market, because you can read the candlesticks. So look, I just let it do its thing now. Bassam gave a nice analogy. It's let the music play. Just let it do its thing. We know the outcome either or. Let the music play. Gold selling off as well. Gold and GG selling off the same time. GG might just need that liquidity, eh? Let's see. She might need that liquidity in order to continue further up. So let's see. We've got our stops about 2.4 pips below the lowest point. So let's see if that can save us today. Obviously, if it's going to break that, I wouldn't want to be in the position. And I'm comfortable and fine with that. W market trade assessment for sure, brother. Must mean I don't know, possibly 30-minute close coming up in 3 minutes. Let's see how she closes. I would, at this point, I would like price to pop down, grab liquidity, and then start rejecting. Because you always have to have the question, where does price need to go to in order for it to grab liquidity to drive? And honestly, it's going to be at 193,700. So I can see that already. Why I haven't managed the position yet is because I still have the idea that we'll grab liquidity and drive. Instead of taking that 15 pip loss, I'll rather let the trade play out, risk that extra 20 and see how it goes. Because you are in liquidity right now. You are in a major level of liquidity, and honestly the daily should continue driving, especially once it can get above yesterday's high. Real textbook setup. This 4 hour also, why I'm also so confident that this 4 hours should not flip its low. If it makes a high, well, if it makes a low then makes a high to reflip that low. I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So that is why my stop is there and I'm comfortable with it. Because technically it still should drive up. It should go up. Good job, boys. As we are waiting, if you aren't subbed to the channel, do go ahead and drop that like and subscribe on the page, on the channel. Yeah. Run it up, boys. Let's get the likes to 40. Can we get the likes to 40? We're about 3 away. Shot for the link there, Jordan. Guys, if you want to level up your trading, trade as consistently as I do, the link is in the description. The link is also now in the chat. You can click on that and trade with the team. You can trade with us. You can get mentored by me. You can get my course. All of that stuff. All of that good stuff. Thanks, Jordan. There we go. There's the link right there, guys. It's a monthly subscription. If you can come for a month, if you don't like it, you can leave. You probably won't want to leave, though. Shot for that subs, guys. 30, 15, not hourly, yeah. 30 and 15 close below the level. More than likely, it's going to tap into liquidity area. Doesn't have to, but I think it's going to, because that's where liquidity lies, boys. This is where liquidity is. So more than likely it's going to tap into this zone, and once it can tap into that, I will anticipate price to start driving back up again. If it just decides to drop, we know why. Then this would have been seen as the sweep of liquidity, the grab, price is rejecting that level for price to then come from that high to that low, because then this will be your range there. You with me? And then with that being said, if I lose the position and I get my closures below, I will take type 3s down to current daily low, because then obviously gold GJ will sell off. See, this is why I'm always so on the ball with the structure, the anatomy, because it tells you a story. It tells you, it paints the picture for you. For me personally, I think your likes should be as high as your win rate. 100%. 100%, brother. 100%. If I lose this, I think we'll drop to 95% win rate for the month. I think my maths is correct. And 87.5% on the year. If I lose the position, which I doubt. But I've given you guys the fours. I've given you guys the against. I hope you guys understand that. That should also help you a lot, like with your psychology when trading, boys. Just to understand what's happening in the market. That's why you'll see, like, if you've been watching my streams since day one, right? You would always see the same emotion. I don't react. The only thing I react to is my management and how I do that. But emotional, psychological, mental reaction, there is none. That's how it should be. If you do it full time, you need to be dead. The moment you allow trading to affect your emotions and mental state and psychology is the moment you've lost the plot, because then you'll be an emotional trader. You won't be a normal person. You'll be up and down. Yeah, bro, that's actually phenomenal. Hey, I'm sure even some of the greatest traders struggle to be that great. What, regarding psychology? Look, as a trader, your psychology is tested daily. However, what helps you a lot is, once you master your strategy, building experience through the same way of trading gives you the same outlook every day. And you know there's only two things that can happen: win or lose. Okay, break even as well. And then you look at your journal and you've seen what you've done before. So I know for a fact that on any day, there is, if I take, let's say the ratio is 10, right? 10 trades. On any day, 2 of the 10 trades I take can lose. That's what I understand. You with me? Win rate 80%. 20% of the 100% I will lose, the 80% I'll win. However, with that being said, it's normal for human beings to still feel emotions. So how do you remove that? It's simply just trusting your strategy, trusting your analysis, and allowing your experience to build that sort of mindset. That's why I always say, like, it's one thing to do 10,000 hours of back testing, but it's also very important to do 10,000 hours forward testing in a live market, not a demo account, not a prop firm account, live actual funds of your own. Even if it's small, like a $50 or whatever, just trade the funds, because I promise you it's going to awaken a different beast inside of you, because now it's your real money, right? And once you can get that under control, then I think you're A for away. And that's with any strategy. I'm quiet. I'm not quiet. I'm talking. Who? I'm trying to figure out what. Have I been giving this whole lecture for nobody? Has my thing been on mute the whole time? My word. No, come on. Yeah, what's up? I don't know. We're in a range. So for gold, it is closure below 23.10, and buys is only up here for me. Because yeah, sells, dude. Sell. I got gold sales from highs to lows. Highs to lows. Yeah. Nah, you good, bro. You good. Don't stress. Trust your analysis, my brother. If you're in on gold, trust your analysis. Oh, then you're chilling. Dude. Yeah, it's normal. That's why you must take the money, bro. 15 pips. What more do you want? 15 bangers. What more do you want? Take the money and move. $15 pips is a good day. 25, you haven't taken anything. Secure partials. That is my gold dropping below my level. Closure below the level. Unfortunately, I am in GJ long, so I can't take another trade while I'm in a trade. But the idea would be that you get 15/30 closure below to run it down to current level. That would be the idea on gold. But I am in a GJ trade, so I can't do nothing, boys and girls. I have to sit on my hands and just allow the market to do what it is going to do. But like I said, we're seeing that rejection off of the liquidity, which I've mentioned, which is nice to see that there's some reaction there. It's just not something to get our... We can't get excited about it yet. We just gotta let this thing do what it needs to. Let the music play. GG, bro, you done for the day. I am way. Oh, how much? Yo, this guy. Yo, how many trades did you take today? Jesus. 3 this morning. What are you doing awake at 3 in the morning? Listen, now that you're part of MFX, I hope you have a journal. You have a journal? Oh, yeah. What do you mean have one Friday? Friday is when you must present it to me. Guys, MFX members, do you hear this? Zama's in the kak Vrijdag. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, nah, good. That's good. Well done on the dubs, though. Gerald Kimani, hello there. Hi there from the other side. the other side. Guys, I'm worried about my friend Darren. Where's my friend Darren? Jason, where's Darren? Maki's son, he's still there in the YouTube. Zazarin. GJ, turn around, baby girl. I sing songs for this thing. See? Gold had a lekker rundown, eh? What's the time now? 15 close below gold? Yeah, that could be very nice. Very nice. I'm a beginner. Any advice? The link right there will be everything you need as a beginner. That takes you to my course. It takes you to my membership, my mentorship, all of that stuff. That is all you need right there. That link there that Jordan Zhao sent, that's all you need, my brother. That's the best advice you'll ever receive. And you'll then be mentored by myself. Nuggets, you are right, man. Brother, no. No. Got a Discord, a Telegram, Telegram. So click that link, you sign up there, you join the mentorship, you get all of that jazz, brother. All of the good stuff is right there, my brother. Time for, what is that? I don't understand that, Charles. I think Charles is happy. Oh, bathroom? Nah, I'm good, bro. Men's room toilet. Is that a man? Looks like a woman. Nah, I don't need the bathroom. Why does everybody feel like when I go to the bathroom, the volume comes? It's just... when I go to the bathroom, I just press 100 lots. Boom, boom, boom. I give volume to you guys. I create the market. Do I smoke? No. My lungs are virgins. I don't smoke. Making calls a yo, Jerome. Yeah, I smoke the charts. That's for sure. I smoke the charts, my bro. Who is that? Oh, this is Zamaleki. This is a 3M trade. Yes, I know it's not London, but everything was in place for a good trade. Trade took about 10 minutes in and out. Very nice, Zamaleki. Well done. You get a techie. Just share all your whole analysis from 4 hour down. If you don't mind. If you don't mind, my brother. Oh my gosh. What is this guy doing? JPY, what did he do? What did you do to Zama JPY? Oh my gosh. He's disciplined. Say I'm disciplined. Say I am disciplined. I am ANC. Vote for change. That video cracks him up. Bro, I'm interested in this Goldilocks, my man. That looks good. Goldilocks look good. Okay, so as I predicted, GJ is rejecting the area that I've mentioned. It doesn't seem like it needed that extra 5 pips, but it was. Put a 1 in the chat if you understand, if you understood the way everything I said regarding the stop loss moving slightly and all that jazz, and how we could tap the level before driving and all that stuff. If you understand that, drop a 1. This isn't about making money, it's about learning. The money's for free. The education for free, the money comes with it. Everybody's like, sir, where's the money? Yes. Not yet. It has no need, but the thing is, it's still a liquidity area, so price could literally tap there again. So I wouldn't recommend any movement of stop loss until we get to TP1. Yeah. Remember, at the end of the day, guys, we have stop losses for a reason. We're comfortable with losing that amount. So it's very important to understand, yes, we have to manage positions, but not over manage positions. Marlene K, is good to be here. Good to have you here. Marlene. Half one? Only half a one? Don't worry, the more you watch me, the more you trade with the MFX team, the more you'll understand, my brother. The more you'll understand. So yeah, guys, I'm not managing the position yet because there's, yes, it's driving away from the area, but it's still in the liquidity range. So we can't get excited yet. They can still reject the area. Okay? So I hope you guys understand that you are still in the range. Until price can start breaking out of the range, which is still 194,051, you're kind of still in the range. So just be patient with yourself. Be patient with the chart, be patient with yourself. We've now seen it react, but also that does not mean it's ready to rock and roll yet. It would be nice, but you gotta let the trade just do its thing. A big part of understanding your job, which is managing the position and taking profits, the first one, the big part of it is also understanding that you mustn't be over managing the trade by trying to cut everything tighter and shorter. Because a lot of the time, if we cut the trades too early, or close the trade too early, or cut the stop loss shorter, we then, yes, we cut the trade and it becomes a loss, but we're cutting that so much that the losses actually become too much. Then it overpowers our wins. So management is very important. I like to rather do management at key levels. There is no key level here because it's a range. So for me, the only thing I can do is just allow it to do 193,621. If it decides to tap that right now, it is what it is. I don't think it will, but realistically, I would much rather let the trade play out than think that, okay, if it's going to be tapping here again, it's going to go the other way. I don't think so. This is liquidity zone, so I can let you test here as much times as I want until it has enough volume to drive it out of the range. But like I said, what I do like to see is that we are seeing rejection of that area, which means there is orders laying there, which means the volume does come from there. It's just pretty obvious that you are struggling with the area right now of 193,900. But for sure, once we can get above that area again, close above that area, break highs, then we're good to go. But until then, we're stuck in the range. This current 15, okay, it has a topic. Not really a big topic, but has a topic. And also because it's in the liquidity level, which is there, it doesn't even need a topic again. Let you grab and go. But we're gonna play it off the idea that there's a minor topic. You're creating the low, the flip of that 15, the break of the previous 15 will initiate some bullish momentum, which would be nice. I don't have any candlestick confluences yet because I am in a range, so I can't use my anatomy to my advantage yet with the reading of it, because we're just printing barcodes at the moment, and that's why I'm not gonna manage. I am ANC. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, you boys. Ooh, Goldilocks. Goldilocks is dropping. Got that 15 close, the break of the lows. There's your position right there. If anybody took that, congratulations. But you've got your 15 close, the break of the low right there. You pop your stop above there. You target the current daily low for 28. You should get that trade. So that's what we planned. Unfortunately, I couldn't take it because I am in GJ at the moment. And I am in drawdown. So, unfortunately, I couldn't take gold, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I am ANC. And I think Taj and GJ is going to the moon till the end of August? What? Till the end of, how did you come up with that idea? How did you come up with that idea? That is true. That is true. That is so true. Interesting. Where's Gayfair? Where's Gayfair? I don't see. Yeah, I don't have lists for funny faces today. I'm in a very good mood today. What is touch? I think touch. Slammed Industries. Slammed Industries. That P is Slammed Industries. Did that dude just remove his comment? I was still reading it. Why did you delete your comment, bro? I was still reading it. Maybe he realized he's on the wrong profile. Why do comments keep getting removed? Like comments get removed? It depends what they say. Depends what they say. If it's like swear words or stuff like that, or hate or whatever, the mods remove it. Or some people just remove their comments by themselves. Like I was literally reading that one and the dude removed his own comment. Okay, so we're coming back down to tap into liquidity. Can we reject it and drive? So this is why I didn't manage the position, because then I would have been out the trade right now. And just because it's tapping into this region here doesn't mean it's going down. This is liquidity, so this is where price is going to come to in order to grab orders. We need orders to obviously move price, right? Oh, gold was the one today, boys. I took a good analysis on gold. It played out very well. She was the one today. She was the one. GJ, make me proud. Did anybody take that gold analysis? GJ, I think we took the wrong side chick today. You took the gold. Well done, well done. And TP hit. Very nice. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Well done. There. That's what I'm happy to hear. I'm so happy. Well done. Win gold. Nice, Terry Glenn. Well done. You guys are paying attention. Well done. Don't shout me, bud. Do smoke, folks. It's fine, bro. He's not here. It's okay. We're in a great space. I wanted to, but already okay. We got to do that for sure, Charles. Stick to that channel, boy. Stick to that channel. Well done. There's this video I can't get out of my head with this woman singing I am ANC, and it won't leave my head. That is what's in my head today. I'm sure you guys have seen that. Bro. I am ANC. I'm gonna send it to you. Watch this. The thing will get stuck in your brain, bro. I have to share this for you, bro. Sure, that I have to share this with you. I can't have this stuck in my head now. Coach buy or sell? Really, bro? Really? You guys are full of jokes this morning, eh? I am ANC. Send that to your lady, Jordan. you'll get buy a loadout now. Yes, drop 15 bands. Let me buy a loadout. Need a loadie. I got yours. 1-1 or what, bro? Negative RR. 1 to 0.25. 1 to 0.5. 1 to 0.7. 1 to 0.1. Look at the weekly of the last 2 years. Separate them with the yearly separation. Sus. Check your brother. The best advice I can give you is come and do my course and you'll learn how to trade. Because about what 20 minutes ago told me you are new to trading. Yeah, now you're telling me to look at the yearly chart. Oh my god. No, my brother, we don't do that. A Barney 11, can I buy? I don't know, can you buy? Buy what? If you go to Spa, buy me milk. I don't have milk. Did you find that info on the blue chappies? Two smoke folks? What the hell was that? Messi. Ronaldo. Ronaldinho. Pogba. Yes, lactose-free milk, please. Lactose-free milk. Don't come with that full cream bullshit. Neymar. PK. I think this is Uncle Robbie's cousin. Robbie. Roberto Carlos. Natty brother is your name. Nah, I think the chat is bored today. Nah. For me, it's entertainment, bro. It's entertainment. What happened to old Goldilocks? Oh my ANC. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful on gold. I am ANC. We need a volume in GJ. Volume, can you be provided? It's tapping into the area, boys, so it's where it needs the volume. We need to start seeing reactions and closure back above. Until then, like I mentioned, even though it's here, it doesn't mean it's gonna go up. It needs to reject and start trading above. So, yeah, man. I don't want to look at gold. She left the building without me. Yeah, she's gonna tap 2300. Gold will tap 2300. Watch this. Hey Zama, why are you shouting your children like that? Why is Zama shouting his children like that? Yeah. Now he's like, hey, don't play there. Chicken brother, you updating us with football stuff and you work for Supersport United. Ah, he's the ambassador for Betway. I can't. It's gonna kill me. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Llewellyn, well done on catching that gold shorts, dude. Well done. You definitely listening on stream. I love it. Well done. Shot for sharing your results as well. It's good. Well done, brother. Can I ask for a favor? Let's hear it. Lay it on me. Let's see what you guys have today. Oh, he's gonna be so disappointed. We are traders. We should keep our mind fresh for sure. Hundreds, brother. Lay it on me, Gerald. What do you want today? I need a remote task account. What the heck is that? What is that? Remote task account. What is that? What is that? What's a remote task account? Remote task. What is that? Oh, come on. Remote tasks? No, bro. Why? I have no comment. I have no words. Just not. I got no words. Sakira. Do you mean Shakira? Shakira. I can't create from my country. Where you from? Jesus. Bruh, this fucking YouTube chat every day is the most wildest shit I've heard in my life. Guys, if you need help, go to a therapist or some shit. Don't ask me for help. Kenya, you think I'm gonna But GG for trying though. You gotta try, right? You gotta try, right? You've got to try in life, you know. But unfortunately, I can't help you with the remote task, my man. I didn't even know what the hell that was. Is that a thing? People answer surveys for Kirwin. Exactly. Bro, you laugh like hell in every stuff. I love my life, so I find joy in laughing. No time to be moody and crampy and nah. I like laughing. Kenya. I don't know. Yes, bro, we get people from all over the world every day. Gerald Kimani. I don't think Gerald's from Kenya. That's not a Kenyan name. Yeah, I like that because you look like Andrew Tate. I look like Andrew Tate. Bruh, I might have a big forehead, but I promise you I got hair. I might have a big forehead, but I promise you I got a full-on head, bro. There's no Andrew Tate here, bro. We have an Andrew Tate. I will. We have Andrew Tate in our group for sure. Can I give you my IG? For what? For what? What must I do? What must I do with your IG? Can I give you my IG? This brother say, can he give me his IG like it's like something nice? What the fuck must I do with your IG? The third date, bro. These people today went and experienced. Jill, don't they sell bucks in Kenya? Confirm. I'm from Kenya. It's how he spelled it. It's how he spelled it. I'm not even making khat. It's how he spelled it. Brother, you can. I don't need to know where you're from, my dude. You can be from Swaziland. I really don't care, my brother. But I can tell you now, I'm not gonna give you a remote task. What the fuck? Look, at least he didn't come in here and ask for money. So at least he wants to make a spun. This chat is wild, bro. This chat is wild. I think that's why Darren doesn't pull up, because he says his brain cells are out the window because of the chat. Kyle, I think you're in YouTube because you just sent me a message. But today I'm gymming at 3 o'clock. Might be 2, depending if my thingy will be gymming earlier. I'll check that. Yeah, could be, boys. Just low volume today. Ooh. Low volume today, but yeah, man. Is what it is. Where you training? What you training? I'll be training at my gym. I'm not gonna say where because I might find people pull up to my gym. So I'm gonna train at my gym, and I'm doing upper body today. 360 of your hair, please. Fuck no. You could work. What is this? These people think I'm an OIF model. Asking for money is one-time offer. How about tomorrow and the next day? Good. Well said. Well said. Yeah. Like I got legs after this. You know, I've really been enjoying leg workouts lately. It's lekker. But to enjoy the leg workout, Pe. Pe. Pelele. Pe. 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 Sharp. Cheers, Gerald, bro. Wasn't me. My mods. WMFX mods. My mods is wild, bro. Gotta push till it can't walk. Yo, I don't know about that one. I do like to walk off the gym, so I don't know about that one. RIP if you have a clutch to press. RIP for that. But yeah, man. Boys, a long trade. A long trade, man. But it is what it is. Pay for Robbie if he comments about soccer players again. During legs, when I squat, I use a squat plug to push myself. I don't even want to know what that is, because that's bro, that's what's in my head right now, and that is so wrong. A squat plug? Wild. Nah, dude, this chat's wild today. Bro, how much does your sunglasses cost? Sunglasses? Where's the sunglasses? Where's the sunglasses? Fuck, it's not in my drawer. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I unfortunately can't wear sunglasses because I can't see shit without my glasses. The life of someone that wears glasses. All day, bro. All day. I'll take it off at gym if I'm doing like a hectic workout, but 95% of the time it's on. I can't see shit without my glasses. Like it's not a fashion statement. I genuinely can't see shit. Do you have the option to wear contact lenses? Yeah, I do. It is something I am keen on wearing, but eventually. That I won't do. I won't do it. I thought about it. I was like, nah, I'm not doing laser surgery. Molly Case, question, does GJ? No. So correlation pairs is just a suggestion, because obviously GJ and gold are negative correlated pairs. Just like your dollar index and gold, you can also use for correlation, but do they always go the way as the correlation says? No. So I don't use it as a confluence. I focus on that chart and I do what that chart is telling me. But it suits you, them glasses. Thanks, brother. I prefer that. Oh, why not? I don't know, bro. I tried contacts once, but it was just like it was irritation in my eyes. And I'm the type of person, if I'm done everything and I sit on the couch and I put something on the TV, I can guarantee you I'll fall asleep. I promise you. So contacts is probably a high risk for me, because I fall asleep in front of the TV. Like, let's say I've had a long day or whatever and I come sit in front of the TV, bro, 5 minutes, good night. So that's always been like a worry for me. Yeah, it is admin, bro. But I probably will do it, because I'm a very active person, so it will make my life so much easier. Like this one time, Simeon and I went to go cycle, and we cycled late the evening. And I told him, you know what, I want to wear my sunglasses because the sun is going down. I had like proper cycle glasses, whatever. And then I wore it. I didn't have my glasses on. And as the sun obviously went down, I just couldn't see shit. I couldn't see anything. He literally had to drive in front of, well, cycle in front of me. On top of that, in my country, we have something called load shedding, right? So I promise you, from the area where we turned around to back to his place, it was load shedding in all the areas. So could I see? No. It was terrible. Imagine being tired and you can't see. It's just like the worst. It's the worst. So he literally had to ride in front of me so I could see his light and follow the light. It was hectic, boys. It was hectic. So, do I need glasses? Yes. Do I wear it all the time? Yes. Do I wear sunglasses? No. Will I do LASIK surgery? No. That's that laser where they remove the. I think it's the first film. I wanted to as a child, but I'm fine, thanks. I'll rather just have my eyes that I have, and then wear glasses, and then possibly wear contacts in the future. I'm not sure, but yeah. Nah, me and hospitals, we're not friends. I don't mind tattoos. I mean, I don't mind tattoos. I don't mind injections. I don't mind any of that stuff. I don't mind a dentist, but when it comes to the part that you must put me asleep and I must go into surgery, no thanks. I'm fine. I'll pass. Chick, I used to hate the dentist as well, but the dentist that I use now, Dr. Ranchot, he's really good. He is really, really good. He doesn't make you feel anything. Nada. Yes, you know him? Yeah, him. He's very good. And he's a nice person as well, so it makes you comfortable with someone digging in your mouth. Yo. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah. Nah, I feel you, bro. They don't put you to sleep, they just numb the veins near the eyes. Did you hear what you just said? Did you hear what you just said to me? They numb the veins near your eyes. No, thank you. Yeah, rather put me to sleep. I don't want to be awake and I can't see. No, I'll panic. So I'm fine, thanks. Now I'm good, guys. Done with that topic. I'm dead. I'm good. You look at them putting that stuff in your. Oh no. I'm fine, man. You know what? God made my eyes like this for a reason, and I'm okay with it. You know. I mean, I can't be handsome and have good eyes. You know, it's tough. We can't have it all. It's okay. So I'll wear glasses. I think that's why I never listened to my mother. I should have eaten my carrots. I just didn't. Is it too late though? Is it too late? Is it too late to eat my carrots? Hey, what have we got? Self-love is key, man. No, it's not. So if you tell me if I start eating a kilogram of carrots now, it's gonna fix my eye. Now you must rub them in your eyes. Imagine that. On stream, I'm just here rubbing carrots in my eyes. That'll be wild. That'll be wild. Or is that just an excuse for you to make me eat carrots? I'm fine. I don't like carrots anyway. I'll eat raw carrots, but not cooked. I hate that soft carrot. You know when your mom used to make a roast and she puts the carrot in the oven with the chicken and all that potatoes and stuff, and it becomes soft? I hate it. I hate a pap wortel. Sugar carrots. Oh, the small ones from Woolies, the baby ones. Nah, I don't know. Nah, nah, I've never had sweet carrots before. I'll be keen to try it, I guess. Oh, you make it inside there. Okay. It's nice. Really? Send me the recipe. Maybe I'll try it out. Okay. It's that simple in boiling water. Wait, maybe I've had this before. Why do I feel like I've had this before? Nah, I probably did. I probably did. I'm sure my mom would have made that somewhere in my lifetime of being alive. With the food you're eating, you are getting in all the nutrients you need to improve your organ. Okay, thank you, dietitian. Dankie, dankie. Guys, do you need a dietitian? I have a dietitian for you. I have a dietitian. 1,700 consultation. And if you use the code MFX10, you get a 10% discount. So you end up paying like 1,400 something. I don't mind veg, but also nah, I'm not with peas. And if I use MFX20, yeah, if you use MFX20, they get a 20% discount. Oh, Jordan, what is that? That looks like that looks like 50 pips. MFX 100. Right, boys, we are obviously stuck in a trade that is in drawdown, that has no volume. It's okay. We will survive. If I could play, really, if I could play music I wanted to, I would play that song, Staying Alive. You know that song? Staying Alive. I'll play that right now. No, I don't like blood. Yeah. The beat, the push, hectic. Hectic. The only CP I know is CPI and CP for comp, M3 comp, M4 comp. That's about it, bro. That's right, it's all the CPs I need, bro. Look here, just a quick little update on this current position right now. Yes, you are at support. However, if you look what price has done, it's pretty much created a micro 5-minute downtrend. Once we can start trading above those resistances, guys, we should start to trend back up. So we are holding that level quite nicely right now. Let's see if she can start to penetrate the highs so that we can start creating those higher highs and high lows in the structure. Obviously, we are finding ourselves in low volume, but nothing that's suggesting that we're going to hit stop loss. We're still fine. So today's obviously going to be a long trade, but it is what it is. My stop is below everything, so if I lose the trade, it's not in the direction that I wanted, so I understand that. But everything else is still making sense. If you don't understand though, let me know and I can see how I can assist you. So you can drop a comment and let me know any questions you'd like to ask. Now is your time, seeing that we are waiting. If you haven't subbed to the channel, do drop that like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you can see when I go live every day. Yeah, man, road to 1,000 subs. You're almost there, actually. Time is flying. Subs is flying. Where? Think about that, Sama. I don't think that's confirmed yet. I don't think that's confirmed yet. For sure, because they're gonna be on the charts the whole time. I won't change anything to my life. I'll still do weekends as rest time. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. I mean, and then what point do people actually go home? Preferably above the previous body. Because with a weak bullish candle, there's a high probability it can break the lows. That's why YouTube, it's very important that you understand candlestick anatomy. Play some blues. I wish, boys, I unfortunately can't play. I might even get copyrighted for this Telefunken music that's playing as well. If you guys know of any non-copyrighted playlist, do share it in the comments. Okay, 30-minute close coming up in 5 minutes. We want a bullish close, preferably above the level of 193789. That's what I'd like to see. The 4-hour volume is right there, so from this area it should drive, boys. 4 hours gonna close in 30 minutes as well. Definitely just want a bullish 4 hour. Haha, I am ANC. What will happen if you play a mix that's on YouTube? Will YouTube still strike you? It depends if it's non-copyrighted though, but sometimes the people that make the mixes, there might be one song that is copyrighted in there. Then afterwards, YouTube will flag it as copyrighted, then you'll have options of either trimming that section out or muting the sound. And that might be a problem because you might have said something that needs to be heard for the stream, or you know, something like that. So the best will be to get a solid non-copyrighted playlist, but I will get that sorted because we can't have our videos flagged, because I want you guys to be able to go watch them over and over and over again after stream as well. Especially for those that can't afford maybe the $47 to join the MFX team. They can at least find some education in that, you know, or they can't maybe make the stream at 8:30 South Africa time. They can then watch the stream later the evening. That's the idea behind, you know, saving it to the channel. That's why you see all my streams are saved to the channel. Even the first stream that I've ever done on YouTube, it's all saved from beginning to end. It's like a book. So for those that want to learn, instead of spending time on Netflix and all that stuff, just go and watch the streams later the evening when you get home. Now it's not going to make you profitable, I don't think, but it's definitely teach you a lot for free, especially about mindset and psychology. And for me, that is the most important thing, because any strategy can work, but it's how you are around it that really makes a huge difference. So what I might do is, guys, if I get to break even and we're stuttering at break even, I might close half the position. Okay, that's how I'll manage this trade. Just because if it's stuttering at 193970, to the left hand side I have resistance, as I can see that. If it's going to be stuttering at this area, oopsie, there, as well as there, I'll rather get out half the position because I can see that is a resistance, and that's how I can manage it. Okay, I won't close the trade, but I'll manage half the position. So if I lose, I only lose half the trade. All depending on how it acts at the area, but just listen to what I say, you'll learn. Okay, yeah, Nuggets is right. Nuggets is right, yeah. So if we have any DJs or producers in the chat, send me a message. Send me a message. It will be good exposure for you as well. I need your music. No country music, no offense, eh? No country music, no rock and roll, screaming music. Just chill beats, vibes. That's all I want. "30-minute close in 1 second. There is a 30 close. Unfortunately, it is in liquidity, but it's fine. We have that bullish close. That's nice to see. We are reacting off of the level. Like I mentioned, I just don't like that it's in the liquidity zone. It should be good. Is it copyrighted? Okay, send it to me. You see, like, this is fine, right? But the thing is with this, sometimes there might be a song or two in that mix. Oh, is this one song? Oh, is this the playlist? Like, it's a whole compiled playlist. For sure. For sure, for sure. Look, I have this. I have the solution. Like, if I don't find anything else. Okay, boys, you're starting to push that break-even point now. Let's see what you can do. There is bottom wick stop. Okay, it is looking good. Let's see. Is this where the volume comes? Let's see. Let's see. I'll tell you everything I do. Don't worry. But nothing I can do yet. Also, no excitement yet, boys. Or there should never be excitement in your trading, to be honest with you. It should be a dead fish. But yeah. Plus some. Do you understand why I didn't move my stop loss to that point? Very important how we manage our trades, guys. Very, very important. At this point, we should drive now. Let me see. Closures above 193,940, we should drive. Is Jason still here? J-Bye. Oh, he is. Where's Dazzy? I don't know, bro. I think he might be at the dentist. I'm not sure. Yeah, he's by the TV. Still punching his TV? Maybe. Maybe. You never know. Because his gums got pulled. Don't go down and barcode me now, GJ. Come on. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's get out of here. Tested once, twice, thrice. It should have the momentum to go. It's a nice close, but like I mentioned, the problem is that it's in liquidity. That's what I don't like. And for me, strong close in liquidity signs a reversal. But because it's also printing barcodes, I can't really use that idea right now. But yeah, let's must see, boys. The only thing we can do right now is just allow the trade to flow. For sure, Jesus. Yeah, one of the two. Yeah, we ready for both. It's either or. Yeah, 100%. It'll be a great two. Yeah, I did. I responded to your Telegram message you sent me, my brother. Enjoy those videos, bro. For sure, bro. Yes. I would like it to, but as long as you're printing high, 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 low, we good. But I would like it to though, because obviously we are seeing that we're struggling at this resistance point right now. That is why when I mentioned that, I was like, I don't like the close that's in there because I know it's going to reverse. But let's see, man. Let's see what's the outcome going to be. Okay, that's the break. Let's see. This is good though. At least there's volume. Whether I win or lose the trade, at least there's volume. Because if I lose the trade, that's going to activate my mindset to start applying a possible type 3 short. But I just want volume. Volume. Whether I lose the trade, I'm really not phased. I just want to see volume. I got volume. Really? Yeah, but your stops should still be the same. You definitely have volume here. This is good. Look, even if it stops, but I just want volume to come in so we can start moving. We shouldn't get stopped out though. Yeah, but George, remember, even though you might have had a later entry, your stop should have still been the same because you based it off of that technical low. You know what I mean? Because that, yeah, that's what you're basing the idea off of, that when price does possibly come into grab liquidity, you have your stop below that, so that you really need to be wrong to get out of the position, regardless of where your entry was. For sure, yeah. For sure. 100%. What happened to gold eventually? Okay, gold is turning. Tina Turner. I am ANC. There's a very long trade, guys, about an hour and a half in. Just printing barcodes. Nothing really going on. It's one of those days, you just gotta be patient, eh? One of those days, you just gotta be patient. This would be stunning if that was the liquidity grab for price to flip and drive. Ooh, that would be so nice. But like I said, this is why you can't get excited, because it drives off of the level. It's still in the range. It needs to get out of the range, close outside the range, and then you can have the idea that, okay, cool, it can push. Stream till 1? No. Stream till 11:30, I'm cutting it. Latest. I've got a couple of things to do today, so definitely not going to be 1 o'clock, my brother. Nice liquidity grab. Let's see. Could be. But like I mentioned, it's grab liquidity already. It's already grab liquidity. It's, for me, it's just ranging. It's not doing anything but ranging. In the range, it can do whatever it wants to do in between the two zones. But while you're here at 2p, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Let's run it up, boys. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday. I'll teach you 2 Afrikaans words. Monday is maandag, Thursday is donderdag. So if you don't subscribe, I'll donor you. That sniffed my stop loss. What is there? Is that somebody's stop loss? Let's get to 660 today. let's get to 660. We need one more sub to get to 660, boys. What language is that? It's Dutch. Ah, not Dutch, Afrikaans, sorry. It's Afrikaans. Did we get 60? Come on, 660. One more sub to get to 660 subs. Can we do that? Whoever hasn't subbed to the channel, do it, bro. In my country, we speak 11 different languages. I can only speak 2 of them, though. Yeah. No news today? Nah, no news today. Where you from, Marlene? America. Who, me? I'm from Zambia, but I'm in Florida. Crazy. Cool. Wait, you're from Zambia, but you don't know what Afrikaans is? Wow. I do, but didn't catch the word for Thursday. Donderdag. Not donderdag, donderdag. AKA moederdag. Oh, is that the... What is that? What is that? Is that the Sutu version? Oh, Oh, okay, I got you. Who's out Thursday? It's not Thursday today. It's not Thursday today, right? No, it's Wednesday. Simeon, I think you're a bit too early there, brother. Or you maybe wanted to be that day so badly. It's Wacky Wednesday today? Yo, you know, we must have had a Wacky Wednesday, my guy. Probably is. Wacky Wednesday. Wacky Wednesday. Uncle Rob, is this steers in Scotland? Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. There's no steers in Scotland? That's sad. Why'd you miss it? I don't think I could live without the steers milkshake. The strawberry one. Life changing. GJ, where are you, my love? You are just sitting still. You are going nowhere. $15 close, bearish close. We want a bottom wick, preferably. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. If this shoots up now with no bottom wick, I'm gonna close the whole position at break even. Just because there needs to be a bottom wick if it's going to drive. So literally, if any candle from here onwards opens bullish with no bottom wick, I will close out the full position at break even. Then it will be a break even trade for me. We need that volume to get out of here. We are lacking the volume. We've grabbed liquidity. I don't see what more it needs. Yeah. But let's see, man. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I need the bathroom, not because I want liquidity to come in, but I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Obviously, as I say that, it decides to go up. Wow. Volume. Bro, I need the bathroom, I'm not even lying. I need the men's room. I feel like everybody's big boys. Yes? I feel like everybody's big boys. There's my entry, there's my stop loss, there's my TP1, there's my TP2. You guys know what to do, you know how to manage it. I'm gonna head to the men's room. GJ, I'm gonna head to the men's room. I'll be back in like a minute. Okay, 2 minutes. I'll be back. Very unrelated, but flies to veteran today. Really? Don't lie. Sure. Owens. Where are we going? JPY, where are we going? Come to your couch? Shit. Say less. Say less. Bring my whole PC with. No ways. You're not even lying. This is true. 10 rand sale. But you know what happened with this airplane? Their wheels fell off. Do you think I'm gonna get on a 10 rand airplane with wheels falling off? Food sec. I won't. I'd rather walk. Imagine I must die for 10 rand. Fuck that. I will not get on a fly Safair airplane ever again. Preferably not an airplane, but I guess I'll do. That's why it's 10 rand? Or they're trying to... Oh, they're like saying sorry to the public, guys. You know what? While we were flying our airplane, one of our wheels came off, so we'll give you a 10 rand voucher. True, right? Gee, was the first one is in October.
You know that airline.
It is.
Your quantum is sitting on top of each other. And they're plane land, though.
Very true. She was. Where do you play? Wait. Which one? Okay. Yeah, I've flown with them before, yeah. Yeah. I agree with that. I think I fly Safair. November? It was November. It's not fun, eh? It's really not fun. Hmm? Justice. That will definitely put me in a panic. that will put me in a panic, bro. That will definitely put me in a panic. Because where do you go in the airplane? You can't go anywhere. You in the air. Where are you gonna run to the bathroom? Phew. I'm fine. Why can't I click on it anyway? You can't. This is bullshit. Birthday sale. Why are you lying for? Why are you lying for? You can't even click on it, bro. Nah, I'm good. Get peanuts and crisps. Need to test new wheels. Need to test new wheels. Who's gonna be the guinea pigs? Yeah, I think that's it. I haven't been on a plane since I was done. One? What, really? Well, now's your chance. You can book 250 rands worth of 10 rand tickets to make up your age. You have to wait and wait. Nah, you probably won't get it. Buy your own parachute. Wild, 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 wild. This man's calling me old, but he's 45. Yeah, I'm 46. I'm 46 in November. Oh, okay, I'm getting dusty on live stream. Let me just eat my. yeah, yeah. Sorry, sir. Can we buy or sell now? Who's your sir? I'm young. Orange. Get my vitamin C. How? I would say you're not missing much, but I love orange. I love me an orange and I love me a nachi. Cinnamon. I hate cinnamon. I had a bad experience with cinnamon. I always have a bad experience with cinnamon, but with cinnamon, when I was young, I put a teaspoon of cinnamon in my mouth thinking, you want that whole taste. I choked on it because it's so dry. Nah for me, bro. Yeah. So I messed myself up, but it is what it is. Varmo, yo, that would be crazy. What is it in the orange though? Yeah. That's hectic. That's how I am with dogs. Like, I'm actually allergic to dogs and cat fur, but I love animals. But I've noticed if I play with shorter haired dogs, I'll begin to itch. Compared to longer haired dogs, I won't itch.
Yeah.
That's weird. Think so?
Yeah, I've heard something.
I'm having this current issue that my tattoos are itching. Does anybody else have tattoos and they won't stop itching? I've had this itch for the past 2 days. It won't leave me. And it's not a new tattoo. I've had this on my hand. But my hand is jerking, bro. So it's normal. Put cream, I got Epimax, bro. I literally have it in my office drawer right here. This stuff doesn't work. It's like choking on creatine. I feel you on that. But what you should do is rather take creatine HCl. It's in the tablet form. And then you won't choke on that. Or mix your creatine in, like, I won't say grape juice unless you want the sugar, but water or something, or juice, or wait, just mix the creatine in your protein shake. Put coconut oil on them. Okay, I'll try that. Vaseline. Okay, I'll try that. I don't even know if I have Vaseline in my house. I mix my creatine with water. That must taste terrible. Ooh, that must taste terrible. I think I'll jabby. I can't. I used to do it when I was younger. Creatine in my water, I can't anymore. I just can't. Vicks? Hectic. Okay, I'll try that. Oh, you guys give me a lot. Klompraat vandaag, ne? TikTok hacks. Nah, it will actually, because there's menthol in there. Ah, Devin, are you setting me up, bro? My brother, why you do that to me? You dry scoop? No, I don't dry scoop nothing. I don't dry scoop nada. Come on, GJ, can we go? Can we move? Come on. Come, my love. We've been waiting for you the whole morning. You've been taking your time. Can you move now? 194.070. Can you get to that? Long ass trade this morning, boys. But it is what it is. This is trading. This is trading. This is my 11 o'clock, my 4 hour, my hour, my 30, my 15. If it can close like that, just like that. Oh, as I said, bastard. But if we can close above my gray zone, I'll be super chuffed. I'll be happy. Just to understand, brace for impact. The next 4 hours going to make a bottom. I don't anticipate that the next 4 hours going to break its previous low. If it does, we obviously don't want to be in the position. What I'll anticipate the next 4 hours to do is just tap into this level, grab liquidity and drive. It does not need to come there anymore. It should be done with that area. So this is once again why I didn't manage the trade. I hope that the 60 people that's watching this stream, I hope that you're catching tips. This is the life of a trader. One day you're gonna get 54 pips in 2 minutes. The next day you're gonna get 10 pips in 2 hours. It is what it is. However, we have that normal range of our trades is normally less than 30 minutes. There's gonna be the odd days like today where it is a longer period of time that you wait for your position. As long as you stick to your plan, stick to your discipline, stick to your strategy, and be patient, you will be okay. So at this point still, you're not getting excited, you're allowing the market to do what it do, because it still can reverse, because you've got bodily resistance at 193917. The more I tell you this, the more you're going to understand how closely I pay attention to the anatomy of the candles and the market structure according to supply and demand zones. It is very important. And once you can understand that, just by keeping your charts basic, trading it as basic as possible, you too will be good. You'll be good. So now we're coming up to that break-even point. I want to see how it's going to react off of here. If it's going to struggle, I'm just going to close half the position. I'm not going to close full yet. I'm going to close half. But for now, we wait. But also, how you manage it, that's how you manage it. I'm just telling you how I'm going to do it. But out of everything, I hope you guys are learning just the management behind everything. Put a 1 in the chat if you understand what's going on here. If I see 4 people that just puts 1s, I'm going to be so shocked. Because there's 67 oaks in here. If you understand what's happening, put a 1. If you don't, then I know you're just here to copy signals. Then I know you're here for the wrong reasons. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. As long as you are learning, you are in the right place. If you're not learning and you're just here to copy trades, then maybe you should go watch another stream actually. Because we're here to change lives, not just provide people with free shit. Dear kind sir, good morning. Dear Simeon, how are you feeling today? Are you better? Can we go cycle soon? I'm waiting for you. I'm literally waiting for you. And for all the names that I've never seen in my life before, while you're there, subscribe to the channel and like the stream. What, are you feeling better? That's good. So when we riding? Can we ride on Saturday? Can we do wind farm on Saturday? No, can we do Van Stardens on Saturday? Let your toppie know that we're gonna do Van Stardens on Saturday. Next week? No ways, bro. This Saturday. Surely you'll be fixed by then. Nah, I'm still sick. Laugh out, you guys can. Nah, we don't leave family behind, Vin Diesel. We know this. We know this. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, he sounded very healthy on the games last night. I think he has to just in case one of his bosses is watching my stream. I think he just has to, you know, because he gave a doctor's note. So let's see. Zach Gemini, I'm doing great. The rest of you, how you guys doing? Zach is asking, how are you doing? Are you doing good, guys? Is everybody still Bay Macau? Long ass trade today, but it is what it is. A long ass day. Get it? I don't know if you got it. One more sub to hit 660. Whoever has not subbed to the channel, go sub to the channel. Where's Mince today? I'm still good after my night shift. Ooh, Jordan, you have also a night shift buddy here. Superfly. Yeah, no, I take my hat off for you guys that work night shift then still come to the stream. I take my hat off for you guys. Dedication. Cause me, I don't know if I'll be able to do that, bro. Especially if you maybe do like hectic work, whatever. Yeah, we know what you're doing this weekend. Come on, GJ. Can you push now? Do I need to go to the bathroom again? 4 hours should drive. 4 hours creating higher highs and higher lows. You have the anatomy there. Price should drive. Come on. The only way it won't drive is because of liquidity on the left hand side, which can act as a resistance. That's the only thing. I'm here for the gems and your win rate proof that's that a lot. For sure, brother. For sure. I think that's what people forget. They come in and they see the current trade. Have a look at the win rate. Have a look at what we've done. And this isn't a new thing. It's been like this for the past 4 years. 5 years. That's why it's normal to me. It just gets better and better. Because wherever you are in your trading career, you still will level up. I'm 7 years in the game. I will still level up. Every day. You can only get better at your craft. Ronaldo can only get better at his craft if he continues to practice every day. He doesn't take a free kick once, score the goal, and then call it quits. He applies himself every day. He goes to the gym every day. He does all of that. So the same thing with your trading. Just because you may be a consistent trader or a profitable trader doesn't mean you must now lay back and relax. You still got to put in that grind every day. And that's how you stay on top. It's one thing to make $1 million, but to sustain it and make more, that's a whole different ballgame. Even though it is obviously easy to flip money, wada, but you get the mindset behind it. It's not just getting to a certain point and relaxing. Every day is a push day. Bang. I found you, bro. He has failed his loyalty test. Mins, go back to where you came from. Gaan terug, Haso. We manged you already, go back. Gaan terug. Go back. We have caught you. We have found you, bro. Samaleki. Oh, yeah, they're perfect. Mince is sweet. I think today is a chicken day for me. Chicken veggies. Chicken veggie rice. GJ, come on, baby girl. Can you go? Bro, you sound like you from NTU. What is NTU? What is NTU? Yeah. Sure. Definitely need you. Right, boys, approaching that BE point. Let's see if she can drive through. If we stutter at break even, I'm just gonna call it a break even trade for me. Let's see. What is NTU? Wait, who said that? Mods, did you remove that comment? Why did you remove that comment? Where did that comment go? Oh, okay. What is NTU? What? What? NTU? What the fuck? Every stream people every stream someone will tell me I'm from somewhere. The best one was Punjabi. Someone thought I'm Punjabi. That is great. Who is calling me? Guys, I have to take this call. It could be a brotherly emergency. Hello? Speaking? It's weird. Maybe they're watching the stream as well. Nah, Vince, we munged you. We munged you, bro. So just busy this. What is NTU? I'm very curious. What is NTU? Yeah, that's probably why I removed it. He doesn't maybe know. Should search it up, yeah, but I feel like NTU can be so many things, yeah. Nottingham Trent. This brother thinks I'm from a university. Me, yeah, you won't find me in a university, my bro. You won't find me there. I don't have the capacity. Really? Hectic, okay. Polos. And I get... Fuck that. Alright guys, we are back in Profitos. Let's see what she can do for us. If we struggle and we reject, I'm gonna close half here, okay? I'll say it again. If we struggle and we reject, I'm gonna close half. No need to come back to BE just to struggle again and go back down. So it's either it's gonna rip, rock and roll and hit my TP, or that's it. Come on, baby. Show me the money. At this point, it should not come down. Are we gonna win again today? Let's see. Thank you. Where's Mayfair? Mayfair! Yes, dis boss. Ek soek al heel dag vir jou. Gemang for life? What the fuck is gemang for life in the Zoom? What is that? Jordan. Mang you. No, it's not Jordan. It's not Jordan? Who the mother chot is gemang for life? So this is easy. People want to play games. I can play games too. Bye-bye. Fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. Come on, GJ. Come on, my angel. You have to sweet talk this thing. But look, at the end of the day, guys, if you guys have just understood how I've taken position, went into drawdown, how it's come back up, the mindset behind everything here, the understanding behind the trading psychology and the technical levels, if you understand that, you've done a good job. Well done. At this point, we should rip and hit my TP1. So what I'm going to do is, as soon as it gets above 194036, I'm going to break even on the position. Okay? All we need to see that we can surpass these 4-hour highs. Once we get that, I'm going to go to break even. And that's it there, guys. I'm now break even on the position. I'm just going to let it do what it needs to do. Okay? GG. Worst case scenario is going to be a break even. However, it's another win for us. For me, that is just the best way I can manage it. Does everybody understand that? It says you're unable to join. Was it you with the weird name? That's why. Remember, rule of thumb. The same name that's on Patreon needs to be the same name that's in Telegram, needs to be the same name in Zoom. Otherwise, I don't know who you are. Come on, baby girl. TP1, let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. MFX members, come to the Zoom after the stream. I want to tell you something. W trade, W patience, let's go. TP1 got hit again and again and again and again and again. Easy, boys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right, boys, that's TP1 for me right there. My runner did get taken out at break even now. However, I got 80% at that point over there. Nonetheless, if you learned today, you understood how I took this dub. You sat with me through all the drawdown. Let's get a W in that chat. Let's get a W in that chat, boys. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. It shouldn't have been, because you should have been at break even there already. Everything I do is for a reason. Grasp the concept, put it in your pocket, and run with it. GG. That was a very long trade. A A very long trade, my guys. But you know what? Once again, we won. Thank you, sir. Open the trade at 1 minute past 9. Exiting the trade 17 minutes past 11. It's been a while. It's been a while. You got slip? That's fine. It's fine. We got some crazy volume in there. It's fine. If you didn't understand why I took the position, if you didn't understand how I managed it, if you didn't understand anything, let me know. Now is your time to shine. Now is your time to shine. Now is your time. Thank you for the 10 pips, GJ. I do appreciate it. Yeah, let's go. And that's me done for the day. You still have a runner going? How do you have a runner going? Just try rejoin Vince. You can get in right now. Just enter with your right name, that's all. Baling Corsi. How do you still have a runner going, my brother? Very surprised, but okay, if that is your plan. Didn't you understand it? Wick me out at BE. What didn't you understand? What didn't you understand? Long but beautiful journey trade. Thank you, Superfly. What didn't you understand there? Grams? Grams of what? Entered 193,838. Oh, nice. So you like entered like down there. I don't know how you entered down there, but congratulations, brother. That is our 54th win for the year. W trade. That's our 6th win for the month. And that is our 10th win in a row. So yeah, man. It is what it is. Let's journal that quickly together. And check the timing. It's so perfect because I needed to jump off at 11 anyway. I just got a couple of things to do today. Actually, a lot of things to do today. So I definitely would not have been able to stream till 1 o'clock like yesterday. That's insane. London buys. Entered 0901. Closed 1117. Long ass trade. I'm not gonna lie. A very long trade. Very long trade. But we understood everything. You guys understood why I extended that stop loss slightly by 5 pips. You understand why I didn't scale in as it drove that first time. That is good. As long as you guys are understanding how and why I did everything. Yeah. Didn't really understand my trade management. Which part? Which part? I feel like like what I've explained, like it's so forward. It's so straightforward. Like I feel like my trade management is so straightforward. Like I literally tell you guys everything about every candle. I try and make it as easy as possible for you. Yes, brother. No, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do straight after I end the YouTube. I'll tell you exactly what lot size to use, everything. YouTube, any questions? You took the right side chick after all. I did take the right side chick after all. GJ came to the table. She was a bit fussy, she gave me a lot of shit, but she came to the table. GJ, Mike Yao. Look, GJ has always been my main pair. It's just as of late, I've just honestly been preferring to trade gold. Gold's moves has just been much more single-sided, which I like. Like once it gets the direction, it just goes, which I've been really enjoying. But GJ is still the first pair that I ever built the strategy off of. Okay, I'm not gonna ask for W's because I see there's W's everywhere. But yeah, man, guys, that's me today. I'm gonna do a Wordle just to clear our brains, and then I'm going to love and leave YouTube. MFX members, just pull up to the Zoom. I'm just gonna tell you what to do. Who pulling up the car? No, not me, bruh. Unfortunate me. Aren't you at work? Yeah. That picture, is that yours? Is that of you sent me? Okay, we'll talk about it now. All the MFX members in the YouTube, come to the Zoom now. We're gonna have a quick little session afterwards. I just want to check that everybody's fine and your brains is still operating at full capacity. And then we'll work from there. Wordle, can we do Wordle quickly? First word, Forex. Charles, Uncle Rob, you guys can pull up. What the heck is a PIS? What's a PIS? A poise. What is that? You can see you reading books every night. No fucking ways. What do I do now? But like, I don't even know what to say. How? I'm so confused. Like, what? Bruh? Becky? I'm so confused. It's what? Another word for devotedly religious. Okay. I read it in my book last night. Okay. How? I don't know what to say. That's why fuck, what? That's my thing. Like, my brain isn't. Yeah, but nah. My first word was Forex, bro. My second word was probably gonna be trade. This one's slan. Poise. What? And you get it right? What? Oh yes. But to be that, yeah. What? I'm shocked. Can we get W Becky in the chat? Because I don't even know what just happened. This is Mal. I feel like, I don't know if maybe Charles and Becky are in cahoots, or they're doing something, or I don't know. Pronounce pies. Well, yeah, I think they are definitely pies. Or Charles, did you bring Becky to the stream? Nah, I need to. I'm shocked right now, dude. I'm shocked, but okay. W Becky, you won. What? Look, I would be fine if it was like oceans or something, but that word, man, sir. Something is fishy here. But anyways, YouTube, thanks for the stream today. We caught a very long trade, but it turned out to be a banger. We got 10 on TP1, so well done to that. Prior to TP1, I told you go to break even because of that reason. We did that. We went to break even. I secured partials at 10. The break even hit so fast on the runner. 10 pips up for the day. I can't complain. People are still shocked about the Wordle. Bro, me too. I don't know how. I do not know how, my friend. But anyways, well done. We've got 2 winners in the group today, so well done. Guys, on YouTube, I'm going to love and leave you. I'll be back tomorrow morning, same time, same place, 8:30, to do this again. We just want a faster trade tomorrow. But shot for pulling up, shot for the subs. Thanks for the likes. And I'll see you tomorrow. MFX members, pull up to the Zoom. Vince. Let me just see something here quickly. Vince, I think you caught on nonsense, you know that? I don't know how to get you back in. I'm gonna figure that out now. I'm just gonna love and leave YouTube. Guys, on YouTube, if you carry on trading for the rest of the day, trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you tomorrow for London. Cheers.